Joe, Yukon River Quest 2026. We're talking front runner typhoon bags. So come over here, we're going to unbox them. These fit on the roof racks. So this is how the bag comes, all folded up and crunched up. You're going to let them sit out in the sun or take a heat gun to them. Because there's a tray in the bottom that's made out of like foam rubber. That's what it looks like coming out of the box. What I did was, come over here so you can see this. I took a heat gun and kind of bent them out. So I like that this is a tray to keep the bottom formed up. And what we're going to do is when we make our trip to the Yukon, come over here so you can see inside. It's a big deep bag. Folds up really nice. We got Velcro here to help it keep secure. You see when you get all that air in here, you've got an air inlet to let that out, to pack it down. And then there's hooks on each side of the bag. 4 hooks. So I bought the kit. The kit comes with Stratch-Its. So you get 2 of these with each kit, and then 2 eyelets, or 4 eyelets rather. So there'll be 2 eyelets on each side, and what you do is you make an X and then cinch it down. And I'm going to show you how these are going to fit on the back of the truck. So you can see on the roof rack, there's an eyelet there, there's an eyelet, there's a couple mounted randomly up there. It's got a hex head that fits in these slots, and so we can move these around. What I'm going to do is mount the 4 V-bars, 2 on this rack, 2 on the front rack, and I'm going to tie the kayak down to the front roof rack, and these are just going to be guides to get the boat on and off because we've got the awnings in the way. So I've got 4 of these bags now to carry our clothes and gear in. And they're just going to sit up here, and then they're going to cinch down. They may go in front of the boat, 2 up there and 2 in the middle. I don't know, but that's what we're going to be working on. But these are a front runner, a Dometic bottom out, and these are called typhoon bags. This is the large typhoon bag. These are awesome. Yukon River Quest 2026. We got 59 days left.